Hello everyone! Welcome back to my construction vlog channel. Today, I'll continue sharing the construction progress of the house you've been following. Looking at it, we can visualize the entire layout, from the floor plan and number of stories to the exterior architectural shape. In the previous episode, we witnessed the wall plastering process. It may seem like a small step, but it plays a key role in determining the surface quality and long-term durability of the building. First, the workers spray water over the entire roof surface. This is a crucial step before pouring the concrete. When the surface is slightly damp, the concrete bonds better, doesn't lose moisture too quickly, and is less likely to crack after setting. Let's take a closer look at the detailed process. Here it is. The concrete mixer truck has arrived at the site. Now, let's move on to today's main part. Pouring the concrete roof slab. This stage is both important and quite challenging, requiring seamless teamwork between the workers and the technical team. Each worker has a clear task. Some are checking and reinforcing the formwork. Meanwhile, another group is setting up the concrete pumping pipes, getting ready for the mixer truck to pour directly. The concrete pumping line is also ready. Watching this scene really gets me excited. Look at that. The concrete is flowing through the pipeline and spreading out over the roof. Wow, what a satisfying sight. Right now, one of the workers is using a rake to spread the concrete evenly across the roof. The workers are adjusting the pipeline to a new position. The goal is to ensure the concrete doesn't pile up too high or accumulate in one spot. At the same time, another worker continues spreading the concrete evenly to fill all gaps and level the surface. While the others are spreading the concrete, another worker is inserting a vibrator straight into the layer. This is a crucial step to remove air bubbles and compact the concrete around the reinforcement, ensuring the slab is solid, dense, and less prone to cracking later. At this moment, a worker is detaching a section of the concrete pipe to move it to another position. The job has to be done quickly and carefully because the concrete inside the pipe will start setting soon. The pipe is quite heavy, so it takes 2 workers to lift it each time to prevent joint damage or spillage. From this view, the far side of the roof is almost completely covered in concrete. The team's working pace today is truly impressive.
Carry emotions, the weight of the ocean. You keep climbing mountains, too blind to see. It's not getting you closer to where you wanna be. Your life, the weight
At this point, one side of the roof is fully poured. The concrete layer is even and matches the design level perfectly. The workers are now leveling and smoothing the surface to complete the finish. Meanwhile, the pumping team has moved the hose to the next section, preparing for the next pour. The concrete is being pumped out again, and the crew has moved over to start spreading it across this section. The workflow continues smoothly. No idle moments at all.
From my perspective, you baby get up, 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 up. No, don't you stay down, 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 down. Now lift yourself up, 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 up. Baby, baby, get up, baby, get up. God just what it takes. You're in control here. Don't you forget.
I have to say, the teamwork here is excellent. In just a short time, this section of the roof has been almost completely covered with concrete. Every action, from pumping and vibrating to leveling, is perfectly synchronized. Look at that mixer truck, running at full capacity. The concrete is being continuously transferred to the pump truck, which pushes it through the pipeline up to the roof. Seeing the entire roof covered with concrete is such a satisfying sight. It feels like the whole building is putting on a brand new coat.
I should have kept you close, I should have held you tighter, 'cause in my book you were my favorite chapter. And when we left each other, damn, what was I thinking? Thought there was no answer, so blinded to believing. Now you're probably thousands of miles away, and it's been years since I've seen your smiling face. And even though I took measures for all my pain, I still dream about you lately and hallucinate. Yeah. Lost maiden, where have you gone? Please come back to my heart. I'm here waiting for you to go. Oh, I never should have let you go. Feeling oh no, oh no, oh no. I wish I could have followed you. I spent my nights alone, 'cause without you in my life I'm always feeling low. I'm clean up, no longer wasted, waking from this nightmare back when we were young, making these promises of everlasting. Starting fresh is anesthesia, shut doors and you feel I'm repeating moments with another, only able when I'm drunk. Why do I miss you as if you've a heart to party, when you might be lucky and dearly beloved. And through it all I still have this damn obsession. Can't seem to break out this spell, can't stop searching. Lost lady, where have you gone? Please come back to my heart. I'm out here waiting for you to call. Oh, I never should have let you go. Feeling I wish I could.
Right after the pour, the roof surface is covered with plastic sheets for curing. This layer helps reduce evaporation, maintains moisture during curing, and minimizes the risk of hairline cracks.
No more thinking of you then. No more praying you were doing well. No stressing if I hear them wedding bells. But if I wanted to be selfish, I wouldn't be able to help it. I wonder, where have you gone? Lost lady, where have you gone? Please come back to my heart. I'm out here waiting for you to call.
And just like that, the concrete roof pour has been successfully completed. I hope today's vlog gives you a clearer understanding of the roof pouring process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more construction vlogs. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.